Hello, this is a video tour of 520 Natoma Street. Today we're going to be touring unit number 7. We're at the exterior of the building. It's located in Soma, conveniently located walking distance to coffee shops and conveniences. Okay, so you enter the building here. There is a nice big lobby. This is the front door, so you do have a gate and secured front door to the building. Before we head on up to the unit, I'm going to show you the common areas. Here are the mailboxes. You have a great game room here with ping pong table. Through this door, you have compost and recycling and trash cans. There's bike storage as well as laundry machines. They are not coin operated, which is fantastic. All your trash and recycle is down on this level. And straight ahead is a nice shared area. This is shared with all the occupants in the building. Okay, so now we're going to head on up to the unit. We're going to be touring unit number 7. The space has been completely renovated. This is a walk-up, so we're going to walk on up to the 3rd floor. Okay, so here we are. This is the level, and the unit is right over here, unit number 7. It's been freshly turned over. This is an immaculate unit. And let's start this tour off right over here. There is your full bathroom. You have granite counters, nice medicine cabinet, toilet. Here's a shower with good-sized shower head, and you have a glass enclosure. Okay, so just outside the bathroom is the kitchen. You have granite dishwasher, stainless refrigerator, gas range. There's plenty of room here for a little table, lots of counter and cabinet space for a studio. Okay, right over here you have a nice big closet. And this is the main room. Nice bay window. There are double pane windows, blinds. There's heat. Electric heat in this room. This is a peek out the window here. And you have a nice big closet here as well. Okay, if you're interested in this wonderful space, please go to rentalsnsf.com. Thank you.